There are different methods to complete a test purchase, and they will depend on the type of payment method you wish to test. In this video, we will see how to make a test purchase using Adyen credit card payment method. First of all, it is mandatory to test this payment method in CG stage domain, so you will need to log in into your staging environment. If you're not sure what this concept is, please refer to the Dipping into the Code tutorial video in order to get a more information about it. Once you did it, you can proceed to add a product to your cart and complete the checkout process. So here we are in the CG stage domain. We will add a product to the cart, just like this one. We go to the cart. As we are in the CG stage domain, this will take a little bit more longer than usual, but here we are. We proceed to purchase. And when we land into the confirm page, please be sure that you have Adyen payment method selected. In this case, this is the only payment method available, so we will not get confused. But when we have it selected, we click on confirm, and we will get a form where we should complete the credit card details. Here we are. As this is Adyen, we should use their credit card testing details. I will use this one. Paste. And I will complete the payment. But you can always Google for more updated testing credit card if these ones are not valid anymore. So if we search, for instance, for test card numbers Adyen, here in their website, you will get a lot of updated credit card testing numbers, and you can take them from here. Okay, it took a little bit long, but the testing order has been completed, and here you have it.